thank you so much for tuning in. Today is clearly a different kind of video for me. I am in New York City, which is so perfect because today I am going to show you how to look stylish when it is freezing. Because it is cold in NYC and I don't know how people do this every day. So I am here for business meetings, so I need to look chic and professional and stylish, but then I also need to stay warm. I'm going to show you the outfit tricks that I am using on my trip right now. And I honestly wasn't even gonna upload a video because I don't know if you can hear it in my voice. I'm still kind of sick. And my husband was like, babe, if you're sick, you can't do a video. Just turn on the camera and look at the camera and say, you guys, I'm sick. I can't do a video this week. See you next week. And I was like, I can't do that. So I took all the antibiotics and all the vitamin C and all the tea and all the everything, and I'm finally feeling better so I can bring you guys this video. Let's start with this outfit. I got this dress from Cameo Collective. I rarely wear florals and I rarely wear prints because I'm super picky about them, but I thought this print was done really well. Now there are two outfit tricks with this. So number one is the fact that I paired a basic black turtleneck underneath, and I think this is something you guys can do at home. Just look in your wardrobe and even look at your spring summer dresses and experiment and try on turtlenecks underneath. You will be surprised at how good it looks. I mean, even short sleeve, just experiment up. You will never know until you try. And the second thing is, with this outfit, you would have typically paired black boots, right? That's the safe and conventional choice. But I suggest pairing brown with black. There's just such a richness when you pair chocolate brown with black. And I feel like many years ago, it was like a fashion don't, but that's so ridiculous. I hate like crazy fashion rules anyways. But I feel like this is what made the look a little bit more special, right? Is pairing those brown boots because it really threw it off a little and made it a bit unconventional. And sorry, I forgot my mic, so you may hear some background noise. Sorry, I'm like winging this big time. Okay, today is such an exciting day. Number one, truly because I'm finally feeling better. I'm probably like 95% better, so that's great. But the second thing, and really is like the hero moment of today, is I'm having breakfast with my friend Rebecca Minkoff. I'm sure many of you guys know who she is, if not all. She's like a huge American fashion designer, and I'm sure many of you have purchased her handbags and gosh, everything else apparel. So I'm going to have breakfast with her, and we may or may not be talking about how we can work together in the near future, but I don't want to share too much. So I'm really excited to meet with her. So I gotta look cute. So I decided to wear an all monochromatic look by just pairing different colors of camel, beige, and cream together. So basically the foundation of this outfit is this great oatmeal sweater from Madewell. It's beige, oatmeal beige, same thing. And then I tucked it in to these camel colored leather pants I got from Zara. And then I did another layer because it's cold with this little cream faux leather. It's kind of like an oversized men's shirt, but I'm wearing it as kind of like a jacket. And then another layer. Since this outfit is more of an earthy kind of softer palette, I decided to throw in some contrast by adding these patent leather chocolate brown boots that I just got and I love so much. So this is my look, and I feel good today. I feel good, all right. So this is a little random. Like I said, I'm winging it with this video this week because I've been sick and traveling, but this is one of my faves. It is a blazer, black turtleneck. I'm doing that light jean thing, and then red boots. I just got these boots from the Zara sale. Oh, I love them so much. Such a good find. And sorry, my voice is a little low. I'm at an office and no one else is shooting videos, so I gotta be quiet. Today I jetted out of my hotel room because I was late and I'm a little jet lagged. So this is my look. Now, basically what this is, it is just an all black outfit, and then one focal point is in cream. So think about that next time you guys get ready, just all black, and then one element of your outfit should be white or cream, whether it's the pants or I don't know, the boots maybe. That is what brings the specialness to this outfit, is that extreme contrast, and I just feel like this look is so eternally chic and cool, and it just feels fresh, and honestly, you guys, it's just black and white. This next outfit trick is so simple, it's kind of not really a trick, but it's basically to wear light colored denim instead of dark in the winter. I think that a lot of times we go for dark denim or black, which is great, but you wanna switch it up a little bit and maybe add a lightness to your winter looks. I got these from Zara, I wear these constantly, and I think this light denim really adds a specialness to the outfit, and it kind of feels a little bit more fashion forward than just wearing, you know, your classic blue jean.